These cute kids modeling videos are very popular on YouTube. There are a number of channels on YouTube creating this type of content and earning thousands of dollars. So, in today's video, I will show you how you can easily create these types of videos. Let's get started. To create this type of video, the first thing we need is a good prompt. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here's an example of one. A cute 3-year-old toddler dressed in trendy fashion, wearing a black embellished sweater and shiny leather pants. She has styled brown hair with buns, holding small luxury handbags in both hands, confidently walking on a stylish pathway. The background features a blurred green garden setting with soft natural lighting, emphasizing the vibrant and adorable fashion look. Full body composition, vibrant colors, high-resolution detail, and a warm, cheerful tone. You can also ask ChatGPT for more prompts. For example, you can request different types of cute outfits, or even change the theme of the fashion show. Once ChatGPT provides you with a prompt, copy it and move on to the next step. Open your browser and search for leoanardo.ai. Click on the first link, then click Get Started Free. After logging in, it will take you to the main page. Click on Image Generation, and in the prompt box, paste the prompt. Select the Leonardo Phonies model from the left sidebar. Since we're creating a video for YouTube Shorts, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, then hit Generate. Leonardo will provide you with 4 images. Select the one you like, and click the download icon to save it to your device. Now that we have our images, the next step is converting them into videos. For this, I'll use kling.ai. After signing up, click on AI Video from the left sidebar. Upload your image. Then in the prompt box, write something like, "A toddler is modeling in a fashion show." In the negative prompt box, specify what you don't want to see in your video, such as blurriness or low quality. Then, hit Generate. Once kling.ai provides you with the video, click Download to save it to your device. Now let's align all these scenes. For video editing, I'll use Canva. Open Canva, select YouTube Shorts, and upload all your scenes along with background music to make the video engaging. Add watch and move transitions between the scenes and set the duration to 0.1 seconds. Click Apply between all pages to make the process faster. Once you're done with editing, click Share and then Download to save the final video to your device.
Pew, pew, pew.
That's it for today. Thanks for sticking around till the end, guys. Have a great day ahead, and I'll catch you all in the next one.